Hi, my name is Gary Jones from Morpho, and here we are today at ISC West with Fine Biometrics. And I'm very, very pleased to be able to present to you our brand new technology which was launched at the show called Morpho Wave. The product also happened to have won the Best in Show award presented by SIA yesterday. That means it was voted the #1 product or #1 new product in the industry at the show this year. What makes this product specifically powerful and specifically different is the way that it handles biometric acquisition and biometric matching. We've taken a technology that has been in development for almost 8 years and has been tested in many different environments, very large-scale applications in government specifically, and we've taken a very strong core imaging technology and applied it to an access control product. So Morpho Wave is the access control ready version of a product that you would have seen before called Finger on the Fly. And what I mean by access control ready is that the product has all of the industry standard protocols allowing it to plug into any traditional or legacy access control system. Let's talk a little bit about what makes the product special from a biometric perspective. What Morpho Wave does is it acquires a three-dimensional image of a user's fingers. The way it does this is by having the user wave all 4 fingers through the scanner at relatively high speed. I'll just demonstrate that with my own hand quickly, but it only takes a simple wave of the hand through the reader to be matched. While the fingers are passing through the sensor, bear in mind no contact at all is required, so it's a completely touchless technology. And what this does is it allows us to project a pattern onto the fingers so we can assess the three-dimensional geometry of each hand. In other words, we can see the actual surface shape and curvature of each and every fingerprint. Once we've looked at the actual shape and curvature of the finger, we also scan the actual fingerprint itself, looking at the ridge and valley structure, and then from there we do the standard feature extraction that is required for normal template generation in fingerprints. But what's really unique is the way that we transform this three-dimensional acquisition into a two-dimensional capture, which also gives us the possibility to be interoperable and use industry standard technologies such as ANSI 378 templates, or of course our own #1 rated algorithms in the proprietary template formats as well. The technology of Morpho Wave also has been designed to ensure extremely high throughput. At the same time, we can also achieve very high security because we're matching against not only a single finger, but up to all 4 fingerprints. So it really achieves an excellent balance of throughput or convenience and security at the same time. We've designed the device to be self-contained and completely self-standing. It can be installed in front of a turnstile, it could be installed in front of a door, and it can be used with what you see today, typically optical turnstiles for very high-speed throughput, or any type of traditional gate or door that you might want to use. As I mentioned earlier, it has all of the normal outputs. So we have Wiegand outputs, we have RS-485, we have Ethernet and Wi-Fi capabilities as well. And we also incorporated all of the features of our award-winning Sigma product in the device as well. So some of the features that have become very popular, such as our IP video phone, are also installed on the device. Some of the other interesting access control points for the product are that the product is also integrated into more than 20 of the industry's leading access control solutions on the market today. So it really is ready to go and to be installed, from day one, and communicate with all of the leading access control systems that are out there, as well as time and attendance systems also. Other unique features of the product include the fact that you can define the matching strategy. In other words, you can have the system set up to match on just a single finger or 2 fingers, as I can demonstrate over here. Wave a single finger through, wave 2 fingers through, or the entire hand. And the reason we do that is we allow customers to tune the device depending on what level of convenience or security they wish to attain. So to summarize, the Morpho Wave represents the industry's first and most realistic and practical solution to truly frictionless access control. What that means is that users can genuinely continue walking without making any change in their behavior and be matched literally on the move. And I'll demonstrate the operating principle very quickly. From here, and both of those devices matched me without any interruption in my movement, and that's the idea behind Morpho Wave, to be able to get very high throughput in any industry and at the same time achieve extremely high security. But for more information, please visit us at morpho.com, and thank you for watching.